Hello everyone, my name is Juan Eduardo Oblea Carrasco. I'm from Lima, Peru. I live with my family, my father and my mother. My father his name is Facundo, my mother her name is Gladys. Something special about me is that I am very dedicated person and I love learning new things. I currently study business administrator at European University. I work for a company in Huachipa at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Before this course, I studied English in high school and Aina. One of my favorite hobbies is listening to music and going to the gym. Listening to music relax for me. My favorite food is ceviche. I don't like being late or wasting time. Thank you.